A lot of you have been asking for this, and I can finally talk about it. Mojave 6S is back. The third generation of Mojave on the sixth generation of the ARRMA 6S platform. We never stop evolving and developing these platforms, and this is the biggest step forward yet for the Mojave 6S. The previous generation Mojave 6S has always been fast, it's always been tough, it's always been incredible to drive. Two frustrating things with the platform were the body clip, body retention, removal of the body to peel it off, and then once you did get the body off, it was always so dirty on the inside, dust and rocks absolutely everywhere. Focus of the updates for this generation is to make it much easier to use and much more clean on the inside, just improve that general quality of life. A great example of quality of life is the Mojave Grom. This little beast has a fantastic body retention method. 2 buttons either side, drops the chassis away, change your batteries, you're good to go. Internal arches keep the dirt out of the main chassis itself. When you want to go and send it, click on the body, and then you're good to go. The exact same principle scaled up is in the Mojave 6S. Button either side releases the chassis from the body itself, change the batteries, do what you need to do on the inside. We've got fantastic internal body structure and dirt guards to keep everything in the wheel arches and not in the chassis itself. When you want to go and bash, line up the body, click it down, and you're good to go. Perfectly secure, super simple. You may also have noticed how compliant and dynamic the suspension is in the Mojave 6S. A very similar driving character to the Mojave 6S, how it always has been, that soft, dynamic desert truck handling. We've tuned it a little bit more specifically for the new parts added to this truck, but the exact same driving experience is still there. This allows you to blast through the rough stuff without a care in the world. Whether you are skipping over those sand whoops, blasting through that rocky terrain, or carving through the ruts. It is of course fully capable of all the big sends as you expect from any ARRMA vehicle. We've got 3 authentic desert truck liveries available for you. T1 is the blue. It is a deep, dark blue, almost a midnight blue with some vibrant ARRMA graphics. T2 is the beige, earthy main body color with accent colors, really sets it off. T3 Special Edition in the striking yellow color. This color pops in any environment with the vibrant ARRMA graphics package. Let's just pop the hood for a closer look. Again, absolutely incredible the way that body releases. Under the hood, we are on the 6th generation of the ARRMA 6S platform, a very mature platform, absolutely perfected through the years. It comes as full RTR, so the ESC is the Spektrum Firma V2 150 amp ESC. This is with the new firmware to bring it in line with the rest of the 6S range, delivering a bunch of power through this ESC, coupled with the Spektrum 4074 motor with active cooling on the heatsink. Other updates that we have over and above the previous generation of the Mojave 6S is the dual spring servo saver. Spektrum S665 on steering duty, common in the ARRMA 6S range. This is a great powerhouse servo when you want fast response and great torque holding. The receiver is the Spektrum SR315 receiver, dual protocol receiver. It works on SLT protocol and DSMR protocol. All of this is controlled with the Spektrum SLT3 radio. Perfect radio for RTR, great response time, throttle percentage from 50 to 100% if you want to slow the vehicle down for somebody less experienced with RC. The graphics on the top of the radio will match the chosen color scheme for your truck. The body just doesn't have the clipless body design feature. It's super secure, locked in. There are also other body armor parts on this truck. So around the back here, where it's very common for trophy trucks or desert trucks to tear, we have the body protection all the way around the backside. Once we remove the body, you can see the body internal structure is super strong. This provides stiffness to the body itself. It also provides fantastic dirt protection, so all the dirt stays on the outside of the car and nothing goes on the inside. The wheel is a brand new design for this version of the Mojave. It's a fantastic multi-spoke wheel, and the most significant thing here is it's got a metal insert in the wheel here. This protects the wheel hex from rounding off, so we've got metal to metal contact for that heavy transmission protection. Updated front and rear hubs. These have bigger bearings for durability, a better pivot ball clamping system for maintenance-free usage. Brand new EXB spec 7075 aluminum chassis coupled with the side guards which have the integrated body mount system. We've included the split tower to tower brace in the center. This gives more control over the way the chassis flexes and keeps everything perfectly straight. The Mojave 6S has always been fast, it's always been tough, it's always been incredible to drive, and now it is absolutely simple to use. Pop the body on, as simple as that, go and rip and go and have a great time. It is not often my job during the week to stand here and tell you how good this truck is. I work with everybody at ARRMA to create the best truck for you, but honestly, I'm never going to be able to get across how amazing this is. This is my favorite ARRMA car. Truck. It's a truck.